Welcome to the info with me, HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the always on display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store, and now here in the search pool we should enter the Muviz Edge application. Let's just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click to draw our apps. Now here we should find the Muviz Edge application, and here tap once on the switcher. After that, let's just go back to the application, switch Edge Lite into AOD section and select one from these available tabs. Click here to apply, and now let's load the device. We should twice press to the power key, and we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.